So this is my first ever slime video, and also it's my first ever time making slime. So if you want to make the mystical, okay, that's creepy, slime. So you'll need clear glue if you want to make it clear. You can also make it whatever thing you want. This is how you just make the slime without borax, because borax is supposed to be bad, but
So
what is this again?
That's bicarbonate of soda
with warm water. Make sure
and
it's
how much?
warm. You need half
a teaspoon
half a teaspoon
in
half
a cup.
But half a cup.
Yeah.
So you'll need your activator, and also you can put foam in. They shaving foam, but we're not going to put shaving foam in because we need
solution
to be perfectly clear.
I need to pour this. So it's half a cup of clear glue. So I'll pour it in there.
You just need to do this dumping in.
I'll scrape it out. So this is your first go, so yep. If it goes wrong, never mind.
Yeah. Well, it will be the ingredients, but I'm going to give... So they should have been some big containers, but we have these little containers, so they're
right.
You give them to people. I'm going to give some to Harry, Jess and Katie. They're my brothers and sisters. And my name's Evie. It smells.
Mix it in.
It smells
We'll put the ingredients list on the screen.
And then we'll take it off when we're doing it.
So give it a good mix, make sure it's all mixed together.
And it smells I forgot what it I know the smell, but I forgot what it is.
Right, is it? Let me just check that.
And also make sure
consistency.
Yep.
Yep. Right, now put in all your decorations that you want in it.
So I'm gonna put some pink.
Put your glitter in first.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some blue.
No, that your glitters.
These glitters. Sorry. I'm gonna put this.
You don't need tons.
Can you open it?
Don't get it on the spoon because it'll make a mess.
There we go.
A little bit more. And then
There. I can't open it. I feel like I'm really weak. And also soon I'll have a YouTube channel, and I can't wait for that moment. Oh.
That's it. Right, now give that a good stir first.
Let's just give this. Oh.
Try not to get it up on the sides because otherwise it won't come down.
Okay, that's making me wink. That looks like a unicorn poop, but very sloppy. Sorry if you...
Did you want to make it a little bit pink?
Yeah.
Or do you want to leave it clear?
I'm going to leave it clear because clear slime's the best. Just saying. I have my opinion, you have your opinion. And also make sure you check out our Advent Calendar's makeup video. It's cool. Make sure you subscribe.
Put these in while you pour, while you stir. You sure you want this colour in?
Yep.
Remember, don't get it on the sides.
I have a feeling this is going to look really good. It looks like a disco. Not when you disco. Disco. Make sure you check out Sis vs Bro because they make really cool slime challenges. And what was your YouTuber you watched to like get the...
This recipe is Gillian Bower, so I'll put all the details in the description box.
Make sure you subscribe to us and to subscribe to her. Make sure you do.
Right, I think that's ready for the activator. Are you ready?
Let's go to the activator part.
So this is just, as I said, normal saline
I don't know.
contact solution. It must have saline.
I don't know what it smells like, but I know it smells like something.
Oh, it smells like cherry-ish, like those cherry jelly sweets.
Yeah.
Right, you're gonna have to stir quick
okay.
once I put this in.
Okay.
Okay.
Something just came off out of it. Think needs.
Is it changing?
Okay, that is starting to look like slime.
Right, okay.
Just keep mixing. Well, if it takes like 200 years, we'll make sure to edit that out. If it takes
speed it up.
Yeah, we'll speed it up.
Just keep mixing. Get the side bits as well.
Oh, this is the best slime I've ever made. Well, the first, but still the best.
Come on, you need to hurry up now.
It's like
That's it now.
it's like the bought slime, literally.
Right, you need to hurry up, sweetheart.
Right,
Right, now scoop it all up.
I can't get it out.
It doesn't matter because it's going to go everywhere, isn't it? So grab it all in a ball. Wow.
It smells. But it doesn't smell. It smells a nice smell.
Lift it up again. No, not with the bowl. Right, so you need to get it all out now and mix it together. Come all out quick, otherwise it'll set to the bowl. No, not on there. If I touch it, it's going to be stuck to me. Right, get that, that's it, that. Right, now get that out and mop, start kneading it, and then you can grab these bits as well. Right, knead.
Look.
Because you need to be kneading it. It's got some popping.
So the glitter bits are really sharp. But don't worry, they're not that sharp that they'll cut your fingers, don't worry.
Wow, look how pretty that is. Shimmery.
I'm glad. I've been waiting all day for this, and now it's like I waited all the way until 6 o'clock tonight.
Right, get your containers.
Okay, I got a bit all stuck to my hand. I'm gonna keep the biggest amount for myself. Here's some.
Right, are you going to do it? Or?
Yeah, I'm gonna do it. So,
I don't think we're going to have that much actually. And like my butter slime I made where we've got thousands. Like you could put some flown beads on top of them to fill them up.
Oh, I can't open this. Thank you. I'm gonna. How small?
Don't need all of that.
No.
Snap it off. That's it. Right, now open another one. No, don't put the lids on yet, because you need to put your flown beads in.
I don't want mine with flown beads on.
Oh, you tell me the others. So.
Yeah. Thank you. But it's literally like bought slime. Even better than bought slime. Actually, I'm going to ask Mummy if we can make this a lot more often.
Right, sure. That's it, sure. Now put it on the table and try it. No, in a pile, then go.
And can I make an Instagram as well?
I won't do anything like that.
I'm going to try and do the Instagram as well. I'm just going to just go wing or
Hurry up then,
wing.
try and turn it off.
So
You have to be quiet when you're doing this bit, so people can hear the pops. Leave it there then, hold it out. Hold it. No, as it was. Sideways, that's it.